Hi, I am Dr. Shibu Muhammad, consultant dermatologist, fascia, SVSM Healthcare in Cochin in India. I am really thankful to Gelmark to give me an opportunity to present about vitiligo, which Vitiligo Day is on June 30th, 25th. Now, let me talk about what we plan to do for our vitiligo patients, especially Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited has launched a patient awareness initiative, Embrace Your Inner Self. I take this opportunity to spread the message of truth, embrace, and transform through my interaction with you on Facebook Live. What is vitiligo? Vitiligo is an autoimmune disorder where the melanocyte will disappear from the skin. There what will happen? There will be a depigmented patch will appear. How this happens? It's an autoimmune disorder where against the melanocyte another antigen will form and destroy it. That is the autoimmune theory, where against the melanocyte another foreign body forms and destroy it, where the melanocyte will disappear and the melanin pigment will disappear and there will be a white patch. Now, there are so many modalities of treatment come across for vitiligo. Especially, it depends upon the site, the spread of the disease. So, we plan according to that. There are local creams, oral tablets, there are vitiligo surgeries we plan to do to make the patient better. As we all know, it's an autoimmune disorder which has a genetic predisposition. There is no complete treatment for vitiligo. Only we can control it. We can make the people confident to move in the society. I have seen many of the population in India consider vitiligo as untouchable. It's really hurts. I have few patients, they comes to me and cry, Dr. Shibu, I am suffering from vitiligo, and people thinks it is spread to them. No, vitiligo is not communicable. If you touch, you kiss it, vitiligo is not going to spread to others. Now, second thing, how we can make these people more confident. It is awareness, what we are doing it. Patient know it is a genetic disorder and how to move up in the life. Day-to-day life, they have to face everyone. So, vitiligo patients, we give courage, we give confidence to move in the life. The latest modalities of treatment for extensive vitiligo, we can do vitiligo punch grafting. My final message to the society is that you should not discriminate against individuals with vitiligo. You have to understand that it's just a skin condition and not a curse, and is definitely not infectious that spreads due to contact. A person with vitiligo can marry. Your outlook towards vitiligo affected patients should change, and they have to be a part of our life. Medical treatment, narrowband UV therapy, surgical therapy, we can protect the skin with some sunscreens, all that in the market. First of all, when a vitiligo first time appears or a white patch appears in a body, you should meet a dermatologist. So dermatology will differ. There are so many white patch disorders, so they can differ whether it is vitiligo or some other white patch disorders. The goals of this treatment is to control and regenerate the pigmentation. There is a patient recently, he has come with majority of the body, he has white patch. So the other pigment areas we can control with some other camouflage so that it also look white and he can move in the life. Here I am really thankful to Gemark to spread the message of truth, embrace and transform through the interaction with me, you on Facebook Live. Thank you and thank you so much.